So, you want to be a full-time trader. This is something I personally don't recommend thinking about. In order to trade full-time, your trading has to provide enough income to support your lifestyle. The exact amount will be different to individuals depending on where you live, the cost of your living expenses, and whether you have dependents to support. Realistically, most professional traders only make 3 to 5% per month on average. Let's assume your average monthly return is 5%. If your monthly expenses amount to $1,500, then that 5% return would need to be at least $1,500. That means you would need an account size of $30,000 at a minimum to trade full-time. This doesn't even take into account that you would most likely want to reinvest some of your earnings to allow them to compound. You would be under immense pressure to meet your monthly targets, which could negatively impact your trading. If you're new to trading, you should look at trading as a way to manage your savings instead of thinking about how you could be trading full-time. Think about how the money you're investing, compounded over a large period of time, can result in a significant return on your investment. Eventually, through reinvesting your earnings and savings, you could reach a level where full-time trading could be done without any stress. I would recommend an account size of at least 6 figures in order to trade full-time comfortably. This would allow you to use low risk and still make profits that are large enough to fund your lifestyle, while not being under pressure to reach a specific monthly target. You might be thinking it would take forever to have an account size of 6 figures, but consider this. If you invested $5,000 at an average return of 5% compounded monthly, you would reach 6 figures in a little over 5 years. This compounding calculator shows how a 5% gain compounded monthly will eventually reach 6 figures after 62 months. This is why I don't recommend thinking about trading full-time. Instead, focus on the process of becoming consistently profitable and treat your trading like a part-time business that will eventually expand. If you can prove that you're a consistently profitable trader making decent monthly returns, you could market your skills by trading for investors, providing a signal service, or teaching others to reach profitability, and this could help you reach your goals much faster. I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like, comment on the video with any questions you may have, and subscribe for future uploads.